Hey there, Eric here with your McKenna Minute. Today we are working in the Quick Selection tool. So we're going to select our subject and then save that selection as a path. So come over here to the left to Quick Selection tool or hit the W key on your keyboard to get to that tool. Go up to the top to select subject. Now that will bring the marching ants around the perimeter of our subject. What we see here is a bit of an issue. We need to subtract from the selection, and that's by holding the Alt key on the keyboard and clicking in the area that you want to subtract. If you're on a Mac, that's Option. Hold the Option key to subtract from that selection. If you want to add to that selection, that is holding the Shift key while you click around. Okay, that will add or subtract. Now you see how the borders are a little soft. As we go around this image to fix a few areas, you'll see that the edges are a little soft. Now you might want to feather at a greater number than just your standard half pixel. Okay, you'll see at the end of the video I have it at a half pixel, but honestly for this image I'd probably do a couple pixels. Okay, but it also depends on your subject, your background, what you're going to do. Okay, now get into the paths panel, go to those three lines, make work path. It defaults to tolerance 2, that's fine. Select that work path, go to save path. Now you can save it with path 1, it defaults to, or change it. I renamed it Queen. Okay, now in the path you can right click to make selection, or you can go to those three lines again and hit make selection. As I said, it defaults to half a pixel feathering, and that is your McKenna Minute.